Fun to be here, getting ready for the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
So this is cool. It's all hooked into the system that we signed in.
Yep.
That is really neat.
Assistant, check in.
Okay, I'm here with Jessie, who used to be Vanisdale, is now Tumasian.
Very good, yeah.
Not an easy last name to say. And she works at the Schenectady City Mission. So we're very excited to come here, help out, and we wanted to kind of highlight some of the neat things they do here at the Schenectady City Mission. So Jessie, what is it that you do here?
Yeah, so my title is Senior Development Coordinator, but basically I work with the development department and just helping to teach people about the mission, what we do, helping to raise funds and get collected items, and just really managing, you know, a lot of aspects that go into the mission. So
cool. So we're really excited to help out and come check it out. We're going to do a little tour of the campus, if that's all right with you, and kind of highlight some of the things, and then we'll see the dining center area and go from there. Thank you so much.
Sounds good.
All right.
Cool.
Did you find the place okay?
Yeah, we're totally fine.
Parking
Actually,
and everything?
yeah.
Awesome. Did you see the truck?
I saw the truck. I parked next to it.
It was not easy to park.
Yeah, so this is our clothing room. We get over 100,000 pounds of clothing donated to us every month. We have a thrift store in Glenville, so some of the clothing will go there. And then we've also started about 5 clothing rooms throughout local schools. So on a smaller scale, there's like an old classroom or sometimes even an old office that these schools are turning into clothing rooms, and we provide all the clothing for them and hangers and racks and that sort of thing. But then when kids come in and if they don't have a winter coat, or if they're wearing a sweatshirt in summer because they don't have a t-shirt, the teachers and social workers, they can help them with that.
That's awesome.
So they've started, like, there's some lettuce and some peppers and some tomatoes. He's grabbing some more celery.
Awesome.
And we're gonna get that put together.
Tossed.
Yep, here it comes.
There we go. So this is your guys' boss for the day.
This is our box. I was telling Danielle about when I used to help my grandmother do all the kitchen prep for conference. So as a kid, I got out of church early if I helped Grandma in the kitchen.
I see your motivation now.
Last night they removed some of the chairs and they do like men's rec. So they play ping pong in here and Yahtzee and all sorts of games. So
awesome, awesome, cool.
We'll start with 2 more. Okay. And we'll see how that is. This is our resource room.
Okay.
So we have computer classes here. We help people search for jobs, create resumes, even simple things such as making an email or doing a login. So much of the job search application and process is online these days. So if you don't have any of those skills, we have volunteers come in and work with people and help them. And a lot of it is just encouraging people and letting them know that someone's on their team, that they believe in them, that they do have the skills. So look, Bob.
Amazing. You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you.
Really proud of you, Danielle, for helping out. I think Ashley was very, very jealous of you.
She was really jealous. I had to come up with some ideas for her to do with and Nicole. We have an organization that comes in and does birthday parties for the kids living here. So,
cool.
And this is our home management center.
Oh, cool.
Which is like a teaching kitchen. So Proctor's, we have a partnership with them with our ambassador program.
It's nice to have them there because there is an element of safety issues.
Right.
And so it's nice to have somebody kind of there opening doors that you know they've got red jackets on and they're there to help out and walk you to your car, right? I mean, I've seen them, they're great. How many, like a dozen or so?
Yeah, we have about anywhere from like 12 to 15 or so at a time.
Oh, look at that. Proctor's is right there.
Yeah, so there's Proctor's.
So there it is, yeah. Proctor's. Very cool.
Hi there, how are you?
While we're chatting, we've got a nice family who's donating some things to the mission here. So you can just swing on by and donate. They have some red boxes all over the Capital District in the Northeast here that You can drop off clothing, but they take donations, lots of donations, and that's kind of what keeps them going here. Helps feed the homeless and shelter the homeless. So it's a very cool, programs they have here. So we're just happy to be a part of it, and just wanted to kind of promote them a little bit. And if you're looking for a place to donate your time or money, this is a really neat opportunity. That is a big knife, Danielle.
Yes.
Is that the biggest knife you've ever used?
Yes.
It's the size of your head.
I have a knife that big at home.
Just keep your fingers out of there, please.
Yeah, so far I've only caught her once doing something. Ah!
It looks at 700 meals every day.
700 meals.
700 meals every day.
Wow.
So it takes a lot of work and a lot of different chefs and volunteers, and we get a lot of food donated, and then we get a lot from the food bank as well.
Oh, really?
So the other night they made shrimp scampi.
Oh.
They're really smart with how they uses the resources. So.
And the people that are here working in the kitchen, is there a program that, like, where do they come from, living here, or how does that work?
It's a mixture. So some of the people are volunteers, some might be staff, and then some are, when they're living here, they have what we call give back hours. So helping them to just be able to give back, since we don't charge them anything to live here.
Yeah.
And then it also gives them experience in the kitchen. So sometimes they are able to add that to their resume. So Salvation Army, they're right across the street. They do like a community breakfast and lunch. So then we do the community dinner. So then between the two of us, anyone that's hungry can come to one of them.
So salad, amazing.
Great job, really. It's
Good
very
job, Danielle.
Very colorful and
Lisa.
great job.
How many people fluctuate from night to night? Is it usually the same number of people?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Going towards the end of the month, we'll have more folks because the benefits are running out of their benefits. Yeah, so we'll see more people come in.
Towards the end of the month.
Yeah.
And the beginning of the month slows down.
Slows down.
Okay, Lace? So strong.
Yep, I got it.
That's a good thing that you did not cut your finger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good job.
Thanks.
Was it easy or hard?
Easy.
It was easy?
Yeah.
Cool.
I was here to tell you, boys, man, you only got an inch of space in that freezer. You got some mountains to get it. I'll get it done. I'll get it done.
How do you like all those desserts, Danielle?
Ashley would love it.
So this was all donated. This is awesome. So I would say that they make this process of volunteering very easy.
They have a wizard pulling all the strings, and he gives you directions so that you can accomplish his vision for that night. Okay, so now I need you to go that way.
Okay, I'm going this way.
No, not that far. Just right here. I just
here?
need to be able to go right here.
Oh, sorry.
Because
Oh,
need this
I got it.
now.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. So where are we going now?
So we are going to go, I'm going to show you the dining center,
Okay.
and also talk a little bit about the courtyard and transitional housing.
Okay.
So the building behind us is the men's shelter. That is the end of the chapel, the Family Life Center.
Yep.
This is the dining center. These apartments up here, as well as these two white houses, are our transitional housing apartments. We have a lovely courtyard.
With a cool playground. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, so part of the story with this is when the mission, pretty much over the past 10 years, 10, 15 years, it's really expanded to be pretty much a whole city block. So Mike, through vision and hard work, we were able to purchase these buildings
Yeah.
and tear them down and then build a beautiful courtyard.
Awesome.